Hello everyone, this is Altaf and today I'm going to teach you how to add YouTube video on your web page. So let's get started. So this is predefined function. By using this you can add your URL on your web page by adding URL within a double quotas. So first go to YouTube and see this song I want to play on my web page. So what I will do, just copy URL and then come back to code and paste it within double quotas. Yeah, I have pasted it, and here you can write a statement which will lead you to video. So I'm going to write here play song on YouTube. Okay, and then I'm going to save this code. I will show play.html. I have save it and then open URL. Yeah, you can see this is my page, and see play song on YouTube. I will click on this link and that video will be open. See, this is playing on YouTube. You can see here. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Like, subscribe if you like.